How to use Linky chat app. It's one of the top growing characters AI app these days. It's great alternative for Talkie AI app or character AI. So just open it up. You can search for all the characters here by name, ID, or keyword. You can filter out some popular characters here. And then, for example, you can just go here and then just send a message. If you tap on the plus icon in the bottom, you can find some additional options. You can clear chat, you can add it to the memory, generate memory, you can create cards, make a call, clear chat. Also, if you want, in the top part, you will see cards from these characters. Also, if you need coins, you can just buy them again in the top right, or you can just watch some ads. So you can also do that. Then there is menu in the top right. You can see the menu for this character. Then in top left, there is a plus icon. And then from here, you can create your own AI character in Linky app. So also, yeah, you can do that. So I already created my character. Super easy. I really like that there is an option just to create a character with one button click. So that's cool. And then, yeah, they have a creator center where you can create compelling characters and create new characters and get $2 for each one that ranks over 100 followers with 10,000 messages exchanged. So you can become a creator, chat with certain characters, modify and replace, collect $3 per past session. So, if you create some, really nice characters, yeah, you can earn some money here. This is one of the first apps where they make it quite kind of easy for you because to monetize and to earn some revenue. In other apps, you can create a character, but you just don't know how to monetize it. So, there you have it. So that's the app. If you want, you can upgrade to Linky Pro for $90 per year. And there are cards. So I think it's a great alternative for Talkie AI app, which was a bit of a glitchy recently. So try it out.